Imagine an app which allows you to share, manipulate, analyze, and interact with 3D models and people without having to move. To connect with anyone, anywhere. You can create and customize your own meeting rooms. Share your 3D models with all attendees. And interact with each other wherever you are. With CT Virtual Meetings, you'll be able to share your models and check every single detail. You can access all the needed information. While connected to the virtual meeting, you can draw on them to point out details and make reminders on things to be done. You can modify the attributes of your models. And adapt the meeting room to your space. You'll also be able to take pictures, or even share images from your library with other attendees. And you can write notes at any time on your dashboard. CT Virtual Meetings, the most immersive meeting application.